The solubility of BaSO4 in water is 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram liter inverse at 298 Kelvin. The value of its solubility product Ksp will be the given molar mass of BaSO4 is 233 gram per mole. So here the solubility S is equals to 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter inverse. Gram liter inverse. Now the solubility for 1 gram per mole of BaSO4 is 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram liter inverse divided by 233 gram mole inverse, which is equal to 1.04 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole liter inverse. So the formula to find the Ksp is equal to number of ions of Ba2 plus into SO42 minus, which is equals to S into S, which is equal to 1.0408 into 10 to the power minus 10 mole square L minus 2. So the answer would be option number 1. Yes, option 1 is the right answer.